Hello, in this short video I will be explaining my understanding of Cartesian coordinates and the right-handed axis system by using a simple diagram in Maya. As you can see here in Maya, I've set it up the way we were shown in class, and I'm using this locator to show the Cartesian coordinate system and the right-handed axis system. The first thing I'd like to say just before I do forget is how you'll notice in the left hand corner of the screen in Maya we see that we are already using the right-handed axis system, which is good. In the middle of the screen you'll see I've created a locator. Again, when we click on it we can see its attributes over here on the right hand side. The main thing to note is, I think the easiest way to show it is on this translate tab, or in any of these would be good, but I've set it at the moment to 0, 0, 0 over here on the right hand side on the current on the translate tab. This just shows the points that represent the object itself, but the Cartesian points are what's needed to show this, the 3 points for the x, y and the z. At the moment it's sitting on 0, 0, 0 in the center of the plane. I've done it like this instead of a top view just to show you the depth, the depth in the z motion. So if we move it by 1 unit, we see it moves over to the right hand side on the x axis. Again, if we move it by 2 units on the y axis, it goes up, which is a little hard to see unless I do that, just to show that it's now going upwards. If I just click on it again to get it back open on the attribute editor, I can show you now the one that I suppose is the main one that we want to see, to show that it is actually a right-handed system that we're using. So again, if I come out 1 point, it now moves down on the, or towards us on the z axis. I might actually move it another one just to show that it has come out a bit further. So this is important because when we're creating objects or places, especially on a large scale, it's important to know that we're using a right hand system, that it's going the right way. If this was a left-handed system and we were coding it with the assumption that it was a right-handed system, everything would be going, in theory it would be going the opposite way. So although I put it -2 in here to get it to go to backwards, the left-handed system, it would be going the opposite way away from us. So you can imagine how a lot of confusion or a lot of errors would happen if we worked it like that. So that is my basic understanding of the Cartesian coordinates and the right-handed axis system.